All right, you want another song? You probably don't even know this song, but this goes back a few years. This song goes out to my very new 1938 motorcycle I just got. I've actually touched it before, so I do know a little bit, but I was in a band, so, all right. Hey, fuck it, you're here, right? So the band I was in before GNR was a band called Kill for Thrills. Thank you, appreciate it. We only sold 8 records, so 3 of you are here tonight. I'm just kidding. Anyway, it was a great band. We were just getting started, and then Slash called, and I said, rhythm guitar? I don't know if I want to play rhythm guitar. I've been a lead guitar. No, I'm just kidding. I said yes faster, and he said, do you want to? Yes. I'm just fucking with it. Anyway, this is an old Kill for Thrills song, and it's actually one of my favorite ones that we did. It's called Motorcycle Cowboys. Yeah, but he fans. We'll see you next time. Hey, if you want posters, I'll be in there in about 10 minutes. Thanks.